Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make tuna pita sandwich. This recipe takes only 10 minutes from start to finish. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients guys. You will need 2 cans of tuna. We're gonna also need pita bread, mayonnaise. We are also going to need onions, sliced tomatoes, mini cucumbers. I sliced them lengthwise, then cut them in half. We're gonna also need shredded iceberg lettuce, black pepper, and salt. To start, slice the pita bread in half. I love Joseph's pita bread guys. It's made of oat bran and stone ground whole wheat. No cholesterol, no trans fat. I'm gonna open this, drain them, then place in a small bowl. Next, we're gonna add chopped onions, next, season with salt and black pepper, add mayonnaise and mix well. The tuna mixture looks good. Now it's time for us to assemble the tuna pita sandwich. Carefully open the pita bread. Sometimes they stick together guys, so be careful not to tear them. Then we're gonna spoon in 2 to 3 tablespoons of tuna mix. Then we're gonna use a table knife to spread it on one side of the pita pocket. Next, nestle in the lettuce. Put more of tuna mix on top of the lettuce. Not a lot guys, just a little bit. Then add cucumber and tomato slices down the side of each sandwich. Top with shredded lettuce. Then it's ready to be served. Let's make another one. One thing that I would like to highlight here guys, once you assemble this, they need to be served immediately. You cannot keep them in the fridge or for later use, otherwise they're gonna get soggy. This tuna sandwich recipe is so delicious that everyone will be demanding seconds. The best lunch ready in 10 minutes from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you stay notified, and leave a comment down below. There you have it guys, tuna pita sandwich. I hope you'll try this recipe. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.